Hello everyone, this is JP Govind, chemistry lecturer. Now let us continue the second type of concentration cell, that is electrolyte concentration cell with transference. To understand this electrolyte concentration cell with transference, first we need to understand the transport number. The fraction of current carried out by an ion is nothing but a transport number. It is denoted by small t. If a current carried out by an anion, then it is denoted by Ta. If a current is carried out by an cation, then it is denoted by Tc. After knowing the definition of transport number, let us continue the electrolyte concentration cell with transference. In these cells, the EMF arises because of difference in concentration of two solutions of electrolyte which are in contact with one another. This also involves liquid junction potential. The overall reaction is the transference of matter from higher concentration to lower concentration across the junction of two liquids. In these cells, two similar electrodes which are in contact with the solution of their ions are considered. The concentration of two solutions of electrolyte must be different. These two solutions of electrolyte are in direct contact with one another, hence they involve ionic transference or of material across the junction or transfer of material across the junction. For example, Pt, H2 1 atmosphere bar HCl A1 bar HCl A2 bar H2 1 atmosphere Pt. Let A2 is the higher concentration than A1. Now the cell reaction is given as, in terms of oxidation, half H2 gives rise to H plus A1 of activity plus E minus, where reduction is given as H plus of activity A2 plus E minus gives rise to half H2. Then the total cell reaction is given as half H2 gives rise to H plus A1 plus E minus, H plus A2 plus E minus gives rise to half H2. Then H plus A half H2 and half H2 on either side cancels, E and E get cancels. The total overall cell reaction is H plus A2 gives rise to H plus A1. Let us call it as some equation 1. In these cells, because of difference in concentration, electrons will flow from left to right externally and the ions will flow internally to complete the circuit. Let Cl minus ions will move from right to left and H plus will move from left to right. Let Ta is the transport number of Cl minus ions. For the passage of 1 Faraday of electricity, Ta gram equivalent weight of Cl minus will migrate from right to left, that is from concentration A2 to concentration A1. Therefore, TaCl minus of activity A2 gives rise to TaCl minus of activity A1. Let us call it some equation 2. Similarly, the H plus ions will also move from left to right. Let Tc is the transport number of H plus. For the passage of 1 Faraday of electricity, Tc gram equivalent weight of H plus will migrate from left to right, that is from concentration A1 to A2. Therefore, TCH plus A1 gives rise to TCH plus A2. We know that Ta plus Tc is equals to 1. Therefore, Tc is equals to 1 minus Ta. Hence, 1 minus Ta of H plus A1 gives rise to 1 minus Ta of H plus A2. Call it some equation 3. The net cell reaction is the sum of the two electrode reaction and transfer of material across the junction. It is given as H plus of activity A2 plus TaCl minus of activity A2 plus 1 minus TaH plus of A1 gives rise to H plus A1 plus TaCl minus A1 plus 1 minus Ta of H plus A2. Then open the bracket of 1 minus Ta of H plus on either sides we get H plus A2 plus TaCl minus A2 plus H plus A1 minus Ta H plus A1 gives rise to H plus A1 plus TaCl minus A1 plus H plus A2 minus Ta H plus A2. Then H plus A2 H plus A1 and H plus A2 H plus A1 either side get cancels each other. The leftover term is TaCl minus A2 minus TaH plus A1 gives rise to TaCl minus A1 minus TaH plus A2. On rearranging, we get TaCl minus A2 plus TaH plus A2 gives rise to TaCl minus A1 plus TaH plus A1. Then we can club these two and we can write this as TaHCl A2 gives rise to TaHCl A1. From above equation, Ta gram equivalent weight of HCl will migrate from A2 to A1. Then the EMF of the cell is given as E cell is equals to minus RT by F ln A1 HCl of Ta by A2 HCl to the power Ta. Then the reaction becomes E cell is equals to minus RT by F ln A1 plus or minus HCl to the power 2Ta by A2 plus or minus HCl to the power 2Ta. As we are writing plus or minus, so we have written as 2Ta at the power. Then E cell is equals to minus RT by F ln A1 plus or minus HCl by A2 plus or minus HCl, take it as a power common of 2Ta. Then E cell is equals to, we know that one of the formula, that is ln n power m, can be written as n ln m, that what we have written here. E cell is equals to minus 2Ta RT by F ln A1 plus or minus HCl A2 plus or minus HCl. Then the reaction becomes E cell is equals to 2Ta RT by F ln, if we reverse this, the sign changes to plus, A2 plus or minus HCl by A1 plus or minus HCl. Then our final answer can be written as E cell is equals to 2Ta RT by F ln A2 HCl by A1 HCl. So this completes the concentration cells of all the types.